Hey YouTube, welcome to the Off-Grid Mountain Homestead. Today's video is going to be an intro and short-term review initial impressions on Hisea boots. Backstory is the representative from this company contacted me by email a couple of weeks ago. He said that it appears I like to work a lot, and do a bunch of outdoor activities, and he was wondering if I'd be interested in sampling a pair of their boots. So I'm not one to look a gift horse in the mouth, so I said, sure, sir. And he gave me a couple of different models to sample. I didn't like the models, and I picked a different model than what he suggested, and he obliged, even though they didn't have these boots in stock. This size 12, safety composite toe boots, 6-inch hiker style boots is what I normally wear. So he made special arrangements, pulled some off the production line at the factory for me, expedited them over, got them in 2 or 3 days, air shipping, so more than grateful to the company. So I'm going to unbox them, take a look at them, and compare them to the boots I currently wear. So let me unbox it. So they really wrapped this box up. They didn't outer box it, but let's open it up and see what they look like. Nice. All right, initially looking at these boots visually, appear to be very high quality, very affordable boots too. You can check out their website. I'll have a link in the video description. And also in this video, if you watch it, there is a coupon code coming up in the video. The company has agreed to give my viewers a special code with 15% off of their boots on their website, so that'll be in the video as well. But nice boots. I said full disclaimer, full disclosure, I got these free of charge just for sampling. To test them out. So initial impressions, I like them, and they have a great warranty. 100-year or lifetime warranty. You can find the details on their website, so be sure to click on the links in the description, check out their warranty. Real good warranty for the boots, and very affordable as well. So let's compare them to my current boots side by side and show you why I picked this style of boot. So I told the manufacturer I currently wear this brand of boots right here. I'm not going to say, you can see what brand it is, but I told him what style I wore. So he said, check this one out. This would be a good match. There's 6-inch boots. This one's a steel toe. Of course, the Hisea boot is a composite toe, so it's a lot lighter. But I'm hard on boots. These are not even a year old, and you can see. I mean, when you work for a living and do homesteading chores, hiking and stuff like that, you'll wear out a pair of boots real quick. So of course they're muddy and nasty. And these will probably be muddy and nasty too before the end of the video. But I'm gonna wear them for a few days and report back to you. But just showing you, very similar style boot. And these, the Hiseas, are a lot better price point. Initial impression putting them on, very comfortable boots. But yeah, first putting them on, look how soft that rubber is, and the leather, it's so pliable. There's no resistance, it's not stiff at all. And the arch is good for my arch. I got kind of a high arch, and the fit, yeah, it's true to size. Good number 12. All right, so a few days later, fast forward, I was making sure I liked these boots. I shot the intro to the video, wore them for a few days before I was recommending them to anybody. I was gonna make sure it's something I would buy and wear myself. If you're wondering what the cost is on these, they are $69.99 on the Hisea website. So I said that link, like I said at the beginning, the link's gonna be in there, and the 50% coupon code will be up here in just a minute, so you can put the 15% coupon code to these work boots here and get them for $59.50. So sub $60 pair of safety toe work boots, full leather, anti-fatigue insole, and these right here, have been so nice to wear. Just so much cushion in the heel when you're walking, even on concrete and asphalt, it cushions. And I was just amazed of how much rebound that these soles had in them right here, these inserts. So real nice. And another thing, I didn't even know this to start with on the boot, It's got a Kevlar anti-puncture midsole lining in the boot. I did not even know this until I, did my field testing and just checking everything. And the biggest thing I look for on boots, when I'm buying boots and I've had trouble with, I look at the stitching and stuff and make sure, like these little points right here, they don't come loose. You can see, several days of wearing them, no issues with any glue or stitching coming loose. And I've had boots that are $200 fail at this point within a couple of weeks. So for a low price point boot, I can't really complain. I'm very grateful they sent it to me. If I could pick one detractor from this boot, it would be that they're not waterproof. They are water resistant. Now I took them in the creek, just a little splash or two in the creek, stand in the creek for a few minutes, stuff like that. I didn't get any water infiltration in the boot. They don't have a Gore-Tex liner or a waterproof liner, so if you're planning on walking in creeks and stuff all day with them or fishing with them, you might get a little dampness, but I have not, seen that in the creek. So if you're working in the rain or, normal stuff and not submerging them, I don't think you'll have any problems with it. And one thing I really have problems with the boots that I wear is I always get rubbed right here the way my ankles are. No rubbing on these boots yet. And I said this is kind of a short-term test for boots. I will update it in a month and I'll test them to the point of failure. Whether they last 6 months, a year, 2 years, however long they last, I'll give you an update video along the way too. So hopefully they'll last at least a year or better, especially at this price point. And would I buy this boot? Of course I'd buy this boot at $59.50. With the current economic conditions, of course, this is a bargain, especially for a man that likes to work or anybody that works for a living has to have a safety toe boot. If your company doesn't provide boots for you, this is a good option, affordable option, so you can get out there and work and earn a living. So yeah, really like the boots. Coupon code, here it is. Just so we're clear, I don't earn anything with your purchase. I'm not signed up for Hisea's affiliate program or anything like that. Using my coupon code does not get me anything. That's just for you, try to help save you some money. So I earn $0 with your purchase through Hisea's website. So special thanks to Hisea for sending these boots out to me. Appreciate them taking a chance on a small YouTube channel, and I hope this video does justice for their quality product. Anyhow, hope you like the video. If you don't mind, please hit that like button. Question or anything, want any more feedback about the boot, just drop it in the comments. If you're not subscribed, I greatly appreciate a subscription from you. So thank you for watching the Off-Grid Mountain Homestead. Hope y'all have a nice day.